In 1925, a British explorer named Percy Fawcett ventured into the Amazon rainforest in search of a city said to be made entirely of gold, where the king reportedly bathed daily in gold powder. On that day, Percy Fawcett left his camp but never returned. The Amazon rainforest is vast, spanning across 8 countries with an area of 7 million square kilometers, enough space to fit 2 countries the size of India and 28 countries the size of the United Kingdom. Much of the ocean and rainforest remains unexplored by humans. The Amazon hosts plants, animals, and microbes, many of which are still undiscovered. Only about 10% of species have been identified so far, and new species are found almost every day. The forest contains around 40 billion trees and is known as the lungs of the earth, producing approximately 20% of the world's oxygen. The forest contains around 40 billion trees and is known as the lungs of the earth, producing approximately 20% of the world's oxygen. About 200,000 people live there with no contact with the outside world. One of the biggest mysteries of the Amazon is the legendary city of gold, also called El Dorado. It is said that centuries ago there was a city made entirely of gold, and the king would bathe in gold powder, washing it into the Amazon River. In the 16th century, Europeans arrived in South America, planning to conquer territories. They encountered local tribes and took over several cities. Towards the end of the 16th century, they heard about a golden city deep in the Amazon. They searched extensively, found many tribes, and even discovered gold. But the mythical city of El Dorado remained elusive. After 200 years of failed searches, El Dorado was declared a myth. In the 19th century, Percy Fawcett attempted to rediscover El Dorado. He led 8 expeditions in the Amazon but never found the city or other European reported settlements. On his final expedition into the middle of the Amazon, he disappeared, never to be seen again. His disappearance occurred in the Brazilian state of Mato Grosso in 1925. Modern research suggests that humans did inhabit these regions, even though the terrain is extremely challenging. Advanced technology like LiDAR scanning has revealed stone structures hidden beneath dense jungle. National Geographic's team discovered a city 15 kilometers inland from the Caribbean coast, with structures buried inside mountains that are centuries old. However, the exact location of El Dorado remains a mystery. Many tribes still live in the Amazon, completely disconnected from the outside world. One such tribe is the Pirapicura, residing in western Brazil. Originally thousands strong, only 15 to 20 survive today. They were first contacted in 1998. Anthropologists decoded their language, revealing that the tribe suffered attacks from mining mafias, which decimated their population. There are likely many more tribes in the Amazon whose origins and connections to ancient settlers remain unknown. Historians were unsure when humans first inhabited the Amazon until 2017, when archaeologists found paintings inside a mountain in Colombia. Buried under layers of stone, these paintings were around 12,000 years old, dating back to the end of the last ice age. They depicted animals like mastodons and giant sloths, giving insight into the lives and hunting practices of early humans in the region. In 2019, scientists were surprised to find a dead humpback whale near Marajo Island in northern Brazil. The whale had reached land near the Amazon River, despite it being the wrong season for migration. It weighed 10 tons, had no signs of injury, and had died only 4 days prior. Its presence raised questions about unusual animal behavior in the Amazon. Another discovery occurred in 2013 near Peru, when a chemistry student found a mysterious structure on a plant leaf. The structure had a cone in the center and a silk fence around it. Scientists later examined it and discovered more than 45 such structures. Microscopic analysis revealed that dust mites inhabited these structures, but they hadn't built them. Eventually, it was found that a special species of spider, found only in the western Amazon, created these silk structures around its eggs to trap dust mites as food for its young. The Amazon rainforest continues to be a source of mysteries, discoveries, and surprises, from lost cities to unique wildlife and hidden tribes, keeping scientists and explorers fascinated.